everyone, this is Lina from Sublistar. As you know, the Qatar World Cup is coming soon, and I'm sure that you want to wear your favorite soccer player t-shirt to show your support and your passion for this sport. And printing a t-shirt is the best way to do so. If you are new to this channel, we are Sublistar. Sublistar is a Chinese professional DTF, DTG, UV printer manufacturer. We have a lot of exporting experience, and our customers and our distributors are all located worldwide. DTF means direct transfer printing and is the ultimate technology in transfer designs from the special film to fabric. Usually in this moment, the DTF printing is the easiest and most effective way to transfer products from the design to the fabric. And we are also a cutting-edge company in that. What do you need if you want to do a DTF printing? Easy. What do you only need is a printer. If you are doing this at home, you only need a home DTF printer. But if you are doing this kind of printings for business, what you need is definitely an industrial DTF printer. So anyways, if it's at home or even for a business, a DTF printer is the best choice for you to get.
Let's hit it. We print the prepared design first with our Star Series DTF printer. During printing time, let's see our best selling now is a Star 4 Series DTF printer. Ultra Series DTF printer is in pre-sale. You can click on our website www.subli-star.com for more details. Now, the transfers are printed. We cut them out now.
Now let's print the design in this 100% custom t-shirt and in our hoodie. But to do that, we need to remember that to avoid moisture and wrinkles, we need to pre-press this piece of clothing into our heat press. So let's do that first.
Set the temperature and time. 165 degrees and 15 seconds. Put transfer in the suitable place. If you want a perfect finished piece, you can measure the distance between the ends with a ruler. You can also measure the approximate distance directly with your fingers. We usually use cold peel film, so we need to wait a little bit for it to cool down to room temperature. Okay, now we can peel it off. Look at the effect. Good. Let's transfer to the hoodie. Now repeat the same steps.
As you can see, printing these designs is very easy, right? So getting a DTF printer during this World Cup is a very good choice. You will wonder why. Well, you can print a lot of soccer designs such as banners, such as badges, names, numbers, etc. You can print a wide variety of soccer designs and you can get profit from it. But what happens when the World Cup finishes? Well, you can still get profit because you can keep creating your own designs, printing your own designs, printing your customers' designs, and you can get a lot of customers from it. Then your profit will be even bigger. Now, what are you waiting for to invest in our product? You will have a very good choice. You won't regret it. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget also to give us a comment below. We will make sure to read them. Now, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.